Thyroid, the most common name in today's world. Currently, most people are affected by this disease and it can be normal to severe situation day by day. বর্তমান প্রজন্মের একটি অতি পরিচিত রোগের নাম হলো থাইরয়েড। শতকরা 100 লোকের মধ্যে আমরা এর সংখ্যা সবথেকে বেশি দেখতে পাই এবং আমরা এর জন্য প্রচুর পরিমাণে ওষুধ নির্ভর হয়ে পড়ি। There are many types of thyroid, but in between that, hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism are most common in thyroid disorder. Today, we will discuss only about hyperthyroid, its symptoms, and how can we reduce it by simple yoga poses.
Symptoms: unintentional weight loss, palpitations, protruding eyeballs, enlarged thyroid gland, fine and brittle hair. These are most common symptoms of hyperthyroidism.
Child pose. From table pose, exhale and lower the hips to the heels and forehead to the floor. Have the knees together, or if more comfortable, spread the knees slightly apart. The arms can be overhead with the palms on the floor. The palms or fists can be stalked under the forehead, or the arms can be alongside of the body with the palms up. Breathe slowly and deeply, actively pressing the belly against the thighs on the inhale. Breathe and hold for 4 to 12 breaths. To release, place the palms under the shoulders and slowly inhale up to a seated position.
Cat pose. Start on your hands and knees with your wrist directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Point your fingertips to the top of your mat. Place your shins and keep high width apart. Center your head in a neutral position and soften your gaze downward. Then exhale. Draw your belly to your spine and round your back toward the ceiling. The pose should look like a cat stretching its back. Release the crown of your head toward the floor, but don't force your chin to your chest. Then again inhale. As you drop your belly towards the mat, lift your chin and chest and gaze up toward the ceiling. Broaden across your shoulders blades and draw your shoulders away from ears. Next, repeat 5 to 20 minutes. Then rest by sitting back on your heels with your torso upright.
Bridge pose or
Setubandha Sarvangasana.
To begin, lie on your back, fold your knees and keep your feet hip distance apart on the floor. Keep your arms beside of your body, palms facing down. Inhaling slowly, lift your lower back, middle back and upper back of the floor. Gently roll in the shoulders. Touch the chest to the chin without bringing the chin down, supporting your weight with your shoulders. Arms and feet, feel your bottom firm up in the pose. Both the thighs are parallel to each other and to the floor. Keep breathing easily. Hold the posture for a minute or two and exhale. Gently release the pose.
Corpse pose or Savasana. Lie flat on your back, close your eyes. Keep your legs comfortable apart and let your feet and knees relax completely, toes facing into the sides. Place your arms alongside, yet a little spread apart from your body. Leave your palms open, facing upward. Taking your attention to the different body parts one by one. Slowly relax your entire body. Begin with bringing your awareness to the right foot. Move on to the right knee. As you complete one leg, move your attention on the other leg. And so on, slowly move upwards to your head, relaxing each part of your body. Keep breathing slowly, gently, deeply, and allow your breath to relax you more and more. The incoming breath energizes the body while the outgoing breath brings relaxation. Make sure you don't fall asleep. Keep your eyes closed and take a few deep breaths in and out as you gradually become aware of your environment and the body. When you feel complete, slowly and gently open your eyes.
All these yoga poses are quite effective of your disorder. Yoga can't be a substitute of medicine, but it can balance your energy, increase flexibility, and relieve stress. There is a connection between stress and hyperthyroidism, and certain yoga poses are thought to balance out thyroids that are either underactive or overactive. Several studies have shown the positive effect of yoga on improving thyroid function. So do yoga, spread yoga.